How I manifested living in my dream apartment in 48 hours. There is an infinite amount of opportunities that you can create with your manifesting. Personal and very raw and authentic and real right now, but that's just who I am. So guys, I moved to a new apartment. Okay, so I started organizing, not done yet, but I'm gonna show you a few things. Like, I got my shoes on right, baby. I do not have enough room on these shelves for shoes, although I have a lot of storage. Got some books, although where's my favorite book? This one. Change your mindset, change your life, baby girl. Yes, this is just what I manifested. I'm not kidding when I said I manifested living here, and it only took me 48 hours. I live on an island in Miami. I'm not playing. I'm being super raw with you, like no filter, no makeup, no face, no case. This is me. So, how I manifested living in my dream apartment in 48 hours. The biggest tip I can give you guys is being intentional about what you're manifesting. So what does that mean? I personally will share with you how I did it, but this may not be the same how you did it because the person who shared this with me did it completely different. I sat down. Hold on, I can't. Was this Sunday night? This was a Sunday night, okay? I sat down intentionally to manifest. I did it during my meditation. I put some music on, I closed my eyes. And I envisioned what I wanted to manifest. And for this example, it was manifesting my dream apartment. I put myself in the visual field of feelings of how I am going to feel, what am I going to do, getting dressed to the point of like getting dressed to leave the house to go see my dream apartment. So I started, while I was meditating, I started visualizing myself getting dressed, putting my outfit on, my purse, my sneakers, leaving, getting in my car, and driving to the apartment of my dreams. And what I want to tell you is I envisioned two things: lots of light and high ceilings. And that's what I remember visualizing. And I remember seeing it, but I don't at the same time. 2 days later, I got a text from my realtor saying, "Hey Jess, I have this available. Are you interested?" And I said, "Yes." So I went and I'm here, and it was exactly what I was manifesting. So rewinding, going back to how I manifested it, I was intentional. So I purposely sat down and I made time to manifest exactly what I wanted. The person who shared with me this type of manifesting, I would like to share his example. He manifested a spot at the mall, like a parking spot, like a specific parking spot at a mall that he goes to frequently. So he would visualize it, put himself in the situation, and he would physically drive to the mall looking for the spot to park there. And he did it, and he did it, and he did it until he got the spot, and he eventually got the spot. There's two people in the world. One will say, "Oh, that was just luck. Oh, he was doing the actions to get it." And the other person would say, "Wow, he took the right actions and the right steps to manifest what his vision was." And that's, if you are this person, you are on the right road. You have the right vision of what you want and where you want to go and how you want to manifest. And you have the open mind to know that there is an infinite amount of opportunities that you can create with your manifesting. So just want to put that out there. No, it is not luck. So because that's what he told me he did, that's what I tried to do in my meditating manifestation practice for the 2 days. And I just couldn't visualize a spot in the mall. I couldn't visualize myself driving to the mall. So I was like, you know what? It's not working for me. So I'm just not going to continue to put that energy there. So I didn't even try, and I was just visualizing the apartment. And literally 2 days later, it happened. And so takeaway from this is just because someone does something doesn't mean that's how you're going to do it and how you're going to receive it. Let that be, is that a dolphin? Sorry. Let that be an inspiration to you. Now I keep looking to see if those are dolphins so I can show you guys. Let that be an inspiration to you as an example to do what you want to do, but in your own way. After that manifestation, I manifested an abundance of opportunities, an abundance of money in order to go further in my purpose and to have money as a tool to invest back into myself and my business, to further educate myself and grow myself through life experiences to help inspire you guys create and live your fullest purpose, truest, authentic self in your life. If you have been moving through life like knowing that you just want to be you, and you have other areas in your life or other people or other situations, work, relationships, finances that are affecting the way you show up as yourself, I am here to show you and to inspire you and to be living proof that you can and you will find your truest authentic self with patience and with growth. Okay? And I want to tell you, you are in the right space. If this is something that resonates with you, you are in the right space. I want to do another video about manifesting, but this is what just came out. I was planning on sitting down with my ring light in front and my camera and doing like a proper video, like how I manifested my dream apartment in 48 hours. But the way it actually went about was I was sitting on my balcony. I was doing growth work, personal development work. As I was doing that, I was like, wait a minute, let me get my camera. Let me film myself during my developmental growth and what I'm doing to help me, to help you, because you can't help others if you don't help yourself. And so I got up, I went to go get my camera, and I just started filming in my closet, as you saw in the beginning of this video. And I was like, wait, I want to show them that, but I also want to like talk about where I am, because hello, I am in a different environment. Like, look how beautiful. Just you can. I have no ring light in front of me. I just have Mother Nature, the light of this beautiful universe that we are in. Yeah. Anyway, if y'all feel my energy through the screen, comment the number 5 below. If you know, you know. There's more I want to talk about with manifesting. For example, like what I did next, because I also manifested, like I just was talking to you about, an abundance of money, opportunities, and I got that a few days later when I started manifesting it. These things happened really fast. And again, I am living proof that this can and will happen to you if you believe it, if you feel it, like literally feel it in your bones and see it. And you had that vision for it. So I hope you guys all have a blessed, beautiful, amazing, wonderful, successful, strong, happy, loving Saturday. And I will see you guys in my next video very soon. And get used to this backdrop, because this is just like, I feel so creative with this behind me. I love you guys so much.